बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमारा लेक्चर जो है वो फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ केमिकल इंडस्ट्री से रिलेटेड है। इसमें हम वो पैरामीटर्स या कंडीशंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो एक प्लांट लोकेशन के लिए ज़रूरी हैं। Following are the basic parameters or requirements for an industrial plant location. Number one is communication. इसमें शामिल क्या है? ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन। Number two है power supply. Number third is labor supply including workers with right skills. Number four raw material. Number five access to market where the goods are sold. And number six is away from populated area. And seventh important is pollution control. स्टूडेंट्स अक्सर ये शार्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाता है कि व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन यूनिट ऑपरेशन एंड यूनिट केमिकल प्रोसेस। यूनिट ऑपरेशन को सबसे पहले हम डिफाइन करेंगे। यूनिट ऑपरेशन इज ए स्टेप इन ए प्रोसेस। इट इन्वॉल्व्स ए फिजिकल चेंज, नो केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस। फॉर एग्जांपल साइज रिडक्शन, इवेपोरेशन, डिस्टिलेशन, क्रिस्टलाइजेशन एटसेट्रा। Unit chemical process. A unit chemical process is the one which involves a chemical change or reaction in the manufacture of an industrial product. For example, alkylation, nitration, sulfonation, esterification. Unit operation, they include physical phenomena, यानी इनमें physical properties जो है वो अकर होती हैं, changes अकर होती हैं। Number one is size reduction. It is a process of reducing large solid masses into small unit mass or fine particles. It is done to increase the surface area and absorption of material becomes easy. Smaller the particles, greater the absorption. It is usually used in pharmaceutical units. Sublimation, a process in which a solid is directly converted into vapors without undergoing a liquid stage is called sublimation. It is done to purify the impure substances. For example, अमोनियम क्लोराइड है, ये सॉलिड है, अगर हम इसको हीट करें तो ये डायरेक्टली वेपर्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। इसी तरह आयोडीन है, नेफ्थलीन है, दे अंडरगो सब्लिमेशन। Evaporation, it is the conversion of a liquid into vapors or gas without heating. It occurs at all temperature, but rate of evaporation increases with the increase of temperature. It causes cooling. It is carried out in evaporators and also in multiple evaporators, which increase the rate of evaporation. Distillation, an operation where components of a liquid mixture are separated by boiling because of their difference in vapor pressure or boiling points. It is also used in purification of alcohol, crude oil, refining, separation of various gases from liquid air, that is inert gases. Number five are drying, an operation in which volatile liquid, usually water, are removed from solid material. Crystallization, it is the process of removal of solute such as salt from solution by precipitation. In this case, precipitation occurs. In this case, small crystals are formed. For example, freezing of water into ice crystals, formation of honey crystal by collection of sugar molecules. It is a separation as well as purification technique. It is used for the purification of drugs, easily to handle and improves physical stability. Next process जो हमने discuss करना है, that is chemical unit process. The process which involves chemical change or reaction is called chemical unit process. In number one is nitration. It is a general class of chemical process in which nitro group is introduced into an organic compound. It takes place in presence of sulfuric acid, which produces strong electrophile. And that electrophile is called the nitronium. For example, nitration of benzene. बेंजीन को जब हम नाइट्रिक एसिड के साथ ट्रीट करते हैं सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की मौजूदगी में, नाइट्रोबेंजीन इज फॉर्म्ड along with water. Nitration is used to add nitrogen to benzene ring, which can further be used in substitution reaction. The nitro group is ring deactivator and is very useful because it can act as directing group as well as masked amino group. Sulfonation, the replacement of hydrogen atom by a sulfonic acid group यानी SO3H is called sulfonation. For example, जब हम benzene की sulfonation करते हैं, we get benzene sulfonic acid. It is carried out by heating the substance with fuming sulfuric acid. Aryl sulfonic acids are used as detergent, dyes, and drugs. Esterification, it is the process of combining an organic acid RCOOH with an alcohol ROH to form an ester and water. इसको हम रिएक्शन के ज़रिए कुछ इस तरह से ज़ाहिर कर सकते हैं RCOOH प्लस ROH रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन RCOOR प्लस H2O। और इसकी एग्जांपल है एस्टिक एसिड और इथाइल अल्कोहल जब आपस में रिएक्ट करते हैं वी गेट इथाइल एस्टेट एंड वाटर। एस्टर्स हैव फ्रूटी स्मेल बिकॉज फ्रूट्स गेट देयर एरोमास फ्रॉम एस्टर्स। फॉर एग्जांपल इथाइल एथनोएट पाइनएप्पल जैसी इसकी जो है वो फ्रेगरेंस है, ऑक्टाइल एथनोएट और रिंग जैसा है।